Sometimes we have to treat our lives the same way we treat our plants. Every now and then, you'll notice a leaf turning brown, drying out, no longer supporting the plant's growth. And as much as we might want to keep it, holding on drains the energy that could be feeding something new. So we prune, not to hurt the plant, but to save it, to redirect its strength back into what's still alive, still growing, still reaching for the light. Relationships are the same way. Some connections served a season, some were beautiful for a moment, and some simply can't grow with us anymore. And that's okay. Releasing what's no longer healthy isn't cold, it's care, it's protection, it's choosing growth over attachment. So don't be afraid to trim back what's been draining you. Your energy is sacred. And when you let go of what's dry and done, you will make room for fresh, vibrant, healthy growth to take its place.
Christmas was coming, and all through the town, our Who's were out shopping with top toys to track down. No last minute panic, big name gifts for all. For Walmart made sure every Who got their haul. While you stroll through town square, keep your eyes peeled. Some Who New Build delights are a bit more concealed.